Let me tell you first, to repair this Rotimakker, tools must be used. If you have this kind of screwdriver at home, it will be more convenient. For loose screws, follow the screws. If there is no such electric screwdriver, it is okay to have this manual one. Then when the machine fails, the first thing we did was put this flour container. Take it out and take all three. Then there is the following. We take out this base and take out this container. We need to put this top cover opens and open the back cover at the back. If you open it, there's a screw here. Here's a screw. First, loosen these two screws. After releasing, then here. Back cover, there are 4 screws here. Also loosen these 4 screws first. When the screw is loosened, we can lift this upper cover. After lifting it, you can use a little force here. I took it out. After that, there are 123. Here's another screw. You cannot take it out after this is loosened. All 56 screws are loosened. After loosening, the bottom is below. There are still 5 screws in it. 12,345. Loosen all 5 screws. Then you can take out this back cover. After opening the back cover, there are 2 wires connecting the 2 fans here. Then these 2 wires are universal, so we just unplug it. After unplugging, you can remove this back cover. How to remove the remaining 3 covers? It's the base. Bottom here. There are these screws with the white edge. These are all to be loosened. After releasing, the entire cover can be removed. After the screws are loosened, we can take the whole cover out. You can take it out. It doesn't matter if this is a fan. After taking it out, we can put it aside. If the machine is in use, it doesn't prompt any malfunction. But this screen here, if the screen can't be touched, let go of all 4. Then take it here and loosen it too. Then it's okay to get a new screen. Just these 4 screws.